So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right? If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial. So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go?
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? So if I get my money, I can get out.
You need to post a bond.
Okay, what's the bond? It's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault.
Christina Berry, people.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Attorney on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a LaTasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you served.
I served 30 days already.
And if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount?
We talked.
5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
All
right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
okay.
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
I mean, Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond.
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Because you just asked her the same thing. Because she said it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by parenting. The whole McDonald's thing and then this. And Okay, let's try this one.
If this is how she handles a preliminary hearing, the trial is going to be a full-blown meltdown on public display. It won't just be entertaining, it'll be exhausting to watch her throw herself against the wall of reality. I'd bet good money she ends up serving the full stretch. Juries don't usually reward tantrums. Maybe it's 90 days, maybe it's trimmed to 2 months, but either way, society will breathe easier with her on pause. And honestly, the sentence length almost feels secondary when you consider her behavior, because even if she dodges time, she's already shown exactly why she doesn't belong running free without consequences. What really stings is how much patience is required just to get through with this hearing. Judge Simpson deserves hazard pay for not losing his temper. When she glared at her former lawyer like they somehow landed her behind bars, that was just peak delusion. No attorney in the world can save you from your own fists or your own mouth. And that's the bigger lesson here. Justice isn't built on volume, it's built on facts and responsibility. If yelling worked, every courtroom in America would collapse into chaos by lunch. Instead, judges like Simpson hold the line, making sure the loudest voice doesn't rewrite the rules. So let me ask, should she sit every one of those 90 days? Or is there any case for giving her a lighter shot? I know where I stand, but I'm curious what you guys think. So let me know your take down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
This entire hearing is a perfect example of how quickly things can go wrong when emotion replaces strategy. The defendant had options: legal counsel, structured defense, clear decisions, but instead we saw confusion, contradiction, and reactive thinking. The judge, on the other hand, stayed consistent. Explain the rules, enforce the process, and move the case forward. And that's the bigger takeaway here. Court isn't about who talks the most, it's about who understands the system. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think she made a mistake representing herself? Or was she just misunderstood by the court? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this case as wild as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more intense courtroom breakdowns just like this.